We are living our dream adventure with Big Dream Boatman Coron! Woo! Buongiorno! It's an exciting day today for us because it's the second day in Coron and because today we will do a boat expedition, and this is the reason why we are here in Coron.
In this adventure, we will be traveling and exploring the Calamian Islands. We will sleep in uninhabited islands and interact with the locals. We are stoked to be a part of this expedition because it is scheduled at a time when the tourists have already left the islands. So you won't go with the crowds, you will have the island all to yourself. That's why we're very excited and we can't wait to start this soon.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
What's this called, Chris?
It's a juice with the criminal water. It's very safe, my dear. Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
You're always welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
From the bottom of my heart.
Dito ka. Grace. Tayo muna ng ano. Lead ka muna, mag-lead. That island is the Coron Island and it is famous as known the Sleeping Giant. And Coron Island is an ancestral domain by the Tagbanwa tribe. Since July 27, 1997, our former President Fidel B. Ramos donated that island as an ancestral domain to the Tagbanwa tribe.
So guys, we are arriving,
Kayangan Lake.
and guys, it's really beautiful because have less people. It's really amazing. Now we'll show you. So guys, we will have lunch exactly there.
We're about to have lunch at Vivian Beach.
So we finished lunch in Vivian Beach, and now we are going to Twin Lagoon.
To pass by on the rock bridge, we will swim under the rock bridge. And then Twin Lagoon is a halocline water. It is a mixture of fresh and salt water. So that's why when we are on the water, we will feel cold in the surface and warm in the bottom. But if you feel warm in the bottom, so it means your body is peeing.
Finishing Twin Lagoon, and now we go in Banana Island, that we will spend there the night.
I started being a boatman is like 5 years ago. I was a boatman of different companies, you know. I used to work in like big resorts out here, and I come to realize that you will never stay this way. So you have to think bigger. You have to think like that's how we started Big Dream Boatman. The story of Big Dream Boatman is about Chris. It's about my real life, you know. It's about, because I think that we always, like, you know, the big companies always taking us for granted, like, you know, always like corrupt the, you know, we don't get paid very good, you know, and we do a lot of hard work, and we are the one always on the, you know, it's not easy to be a boatman. You're always, life is on the risk. You have these big waves, you know, bad weather on the way, and I think that you have to keep dreaming, you know. And when we have this, you know, when we keep dreaming and you keep implementing what you are thinking, then you do something, then something good will come to you, you know. So you don't stop. Just keep the hard work, you know. That's the secret on how to change this life. And it's not just that, it's also about sharing. Sharing in what way? Because we do have both, we have the cruise here, like we have the chef, we have these tour guides like Chino, and he, you know, the one that we paid him is not like a usual pay that they do in Coron town. It's how we help each other, you know, to change the life of everybody. So that's what Big Dream Boatman is, to give the money back to the people. That's what we're doing here. So no corruptions, nothing. It don't work this way. That's how Oli and me come to have this project, the Big Dream Boatman.
They call this Banana Island because the beach area is shaped like the banana. And tonight, this is where we will drink, have dinner, and sleep. And this is our cottage. And we are filming right in front of the cottage, which is just overlooking
The beach,
sea.
the sea.
Yeah, and it's so cool. It's so amazing. You can hear the waves right now. And we will try night swimming later on. This experience is really beautiful and intimate for us.
It's really exclusive.
Yeah, I mean, it has the rustic vibe, the island charm.
And we
And
are a
we're
group
like-
of 9 people.
Yeah, nine people from all over the world here in one island with a big dream boatman, Coron. And
And this is amazing.
it's amazing.
Yes.
It's one of a kind. It's really special. Lights out.
Yeah. Where? Outside or inside?
Light.
Ah, yeah.
Our light. Okay.
The light gets.
So that's part of the island feel.
Yes.
Yes.
Of course.
But we have
We have our own light.
our own light.
That is a. What is that?
It's a GP3 night core. Yes.
GP3 night core.
360
Really strong.
lumens, yes.
That can go also underwater, and we will use later.
Yeah, so we would advise that really if you go on a trip like this, you should have night light, or what do you call this? Headlamp.
Yeah.
This is it's actually an action camera night light. Very, very useful.
That you can put in your GoPro, in the DSLR.
Yeah, in your camera, great for filming. Like this.
Really good. Plus, you can watch your step when where you walk.
Yeah.
What else?
So what can you say about your experience, Mr. Basile?
This experience, it's so amazing. No, no.
Why?
No, not like this. Come on. Anyway, this experience, it's really, really beautiful, and we really suggest to all people to do it.
Number one, you want to take this tour because it's exclusive. You go to islands and stay in the islands with just a few people, just your group, and you can have the whole island to yourself. Okay, no crowds, no noisy people, just the sound of the waves. I mean, how cool is that, right?
Really cool.
Pretty cool. Pretty lit.